Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, hill assist system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.